Hi there. We're all used to sharing our screens during meetings, and you can do that in sessions too. But did you know that you can bring your presentations, videos, and favorite tools directly into your sessions without sharing your screen? The benefit of this is that it makes your meetings more interactive. For example, if you bring a whiteboard into your meeting, everyone can work together in real time. The same applies to a Google Doc or a website. And when you bring a video in, the audio and visuals are crisp and clear. Let's take a look at how to do this. During your meeting, hover on the Share Screen button, or click on the Share button. You'll see that you now have the option to share a file, open a link, embed a tool, or add an agenda. Let's start off by sharing a file. I would like to upload a presentation from my computer. Yes, embed this resource. And, seconds later it's on the screen for both me and my participants, and I can skip between slides. Now, let's remove this file. I can do so by hovering over the Share Screen button and clicking on Remove File, or I can remove it from the bottom left. Next, I would like to share a link. Click on Share. Open a link, and then I'm going to paste a link to a YouTube video. Yes, embed this resource. And now the video is embedded into my meeting. When I click on Play, it will start playing for everyone. Note that the system will automatically mute everyone when a video plays, so just unmute yourself when you would like to speak again. Let's remove this video. Now I would like to bring an app or tool into my meeting. Click on Share, and then on Embed a Tool. You'll see that there is a list of tools to choose from, like a whiteboard, breakout rooms, and forms, plus some third-party apps. If you want, you can even create your own tools. I would like to bring a form that I created earlier into this session. And now my participants can interact with what's on the screen and share their feedback with me. Right, let's remove this form. Lastly, let's add an agenda. From here, you can create a new agenda or bring an existing one into your live session. And if you want to remove it, you can do so from here. Why not try it for yourself during your next session? It might take a bit of getting used to, but it's a game changer that will make your meetings smoother and more interactive. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, subscribe for more sessions tips. Until next time, happy hosting!